वेलकम टू HOMETIMEOLOGY। आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 9th मैथमेटिक्स का चैप्टर 15 प्रोबेबिलिटी पढ़ेंगे। इन दिस वीडियो वी विल सॉल्व NCERT एग्जाम्पल्स। Example number 1 on page number 277. A coin tossed 1000 times with the following frequencies: heads 455, tails 545. Compute the probability for each event. Question में कह रहा है कि coin 1000 times टॉस किया गया है जिसमें से 455 टाइम्स हेड्स आया और 545 टाइम्स टेल्स। दोनों की प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालनी है। तो पहले हम देखेंगे प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ हेड्स, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ हेड्स अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स कॉइन टॉस्ड। सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में हम लिखेंगे प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ हेड्स is equal to 455 upon 1000 and the answer will be 0.455. Similarly, we will calculate the probability of tails, that will be equal to number of tails upon total number of times coin tossed. So the probability of tails will be equal to 545 upon 1000. That will be 0.545. Example 2 on page number 277. Two coins are tossed simultaneously 500 times and we get two heads 105 times, one head 275 times, no head 120 times. Find the probability of occurrence of each event. इस क्वेश्चन में दो कॉइन साइमल्टेनियसली 500 टाइम्स टॉस किए गए हैं। So before solving this example, let us understand one more thing, and that is sample space. Sample space is the set of all possible outcomes of an event and is denoted by S. So the sample space of two coins tossed simultaneously would be HH, HT, TH, TT. HH यानी कि दो हेड्स, यानी कि दोनों कॉइन्स में हेड्स आया। HT और TH यानी कि एक कॉइन में हेड आया और दूसरे कॉइन में टेल आया। TT यानी कि दोनों कॉइन्स में टेल आया, कोई भी H नहीं आया। दूसरे तरीके से भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, यानी कि दो हेड्स यानी कि कोई भी टेल नहीं, एक हेड यानी कि एक टेल और कोई भी हेड नहीं तो यानी कि दोनों टेल्स हो सकते हैं। सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ two heads. So that will be number of two heads upon number of trials. So the probability of 2H will be equal to 105 upon 500. That will be 21 upon 100 and in decimal 0.21. Similarly, probability of one head is equal to number of one head upon number of trials. Probability of one head is equal to 275 upon 500. Simplify this, 55 upon 100, that will be equal to 0.55. Last but not the least, that is the probability of no heads, that will be equal to number of no head upon number of trials. So the probability of no head will be 120 upon 500, that will be 24 upon 100 after simplifying, and 0.24 will be the probability of no head. Example 3, page number 278. A die is thrown 1000 times with the frequencies for the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 as given in the following table. Find the probability of getting each outcome. जब 1 आया तो उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी थी 179, 2 150, 3 157 टाइम्स आया, 4 149 टाइम्स आया, 5 175 टाइम्स आया और 6 190 टाइम्स आया. फ्रीक्वेंसीज को जब आप ऐड करोगे तो इट विल बी 1000. सो द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इवेंट 1 यानी कि जब आउटकम 1 आया तो वो कैसे लिखेंगे? लिखेंगे फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ 1 अपॉन number of trials, that is 179 upon 1000, that will be 0.179. ऐसे ही probability of event 2 यानी कि जब आपका outcome 2 आया उसकी frequency upon number of trials. So the probability of event 2 will be 150 upon 1000. 0, 0 cut, that will be 15 upon 100 and you will write it as 0.15. Now probability of event 3 यानी कि जब आपका outcome 3 आया उसकी frequency कितनी थी? That was 157 upon number of trials, that is 1000. Your answer will be 0.157. ऐसे ही probability of event 4 149 upon 1000, answer will be 0.149. Again probability of event 5 frequency upon number of trials, that will be 175 upon 1000. Decimals में लिखेंगे तो 0.175. Last probability of event 6, that is equal to 190 upon 1000. 0, 0 cut, it will be 19 upon 100 and decimals में 0.19. Example 4 on page number 278. On one page of a telephone directory, there were 200 telephone numbers. The frequency distribution of their unit place is given. Without looking at the page, the pencil is placed on one of these numbers, that is, the number is chosen at random. What is the probability that the digit in its unit place is 6? तो अगर unit place पे 6 है तो उसकी frequency हमें दे रखी है 14. तो हमें उसी की probability निकालनी है. तो let us see how we will calculate. Probability of digit 6, that will be frequency of unit digit 6 upon total number of selected telephone numbers, that will be 14 upon 200. Simplify it, that is 7 upon 100 and your answer is 0.07. Example 5 on page number 279. The record of a weather station shows that out of the past 250 consecutive days, its weather forecasts were correct 175 times. First question is, what is the probability that on a given day it was correct? Second question, what is the probability that it was not correct on a given day? Total number of days are 250, correct are 175. तो जो correct नहीं होंगे वो होंगे 250 minus 175. So let us first see कि जो ठीक है उसकी probability क्या है. तो probability of correct is equal to frequency of correct upon total number of days. So that will be 175 upon 250. Simplify this. After simplifying, we'll get 0.7 as a decimal. Probability of not correct is equal to frequency of not correct upon total number of days. That is equal to 250 minus 175 upon total, that is 250. 75 upon 250 after simplifying, and in decimals it is 0.3. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. You have been a great learner.